welcome back to my channel. I have a box for you and a super surprise for you. So you're gonna want to pay attention to this video, because if you click off of this video, you're gonna miss out on one of the biggest surprises that I've had in a couple of videos. You're gonna miss it, and well, you might not want to miss this one. This box is called Simple Statement Jewelry Company, and this was sent to me for review, and I am super excited to get into this bag. And first, a few details about this bag. It's an affordable monthly jewelry subscription for the minimalist jewelry lover. Now, this bag is $19.99 a month, and it is jewelry that's handpicked for you, and it's all yours to keep. You get free shipping. You get bracelets, rings, necklaces, earrings, and more. Your first box will ship within 48 hours. Yes, you heard me right. 48 hours. When you pay, your first box will ship within 48 hours. No, you do not wait a month. 48 hours. Surprise jewelry color tone monthly, varying between gold, rose gold, and jewelry. You can can't request to not receive like earrings. If you don't wear earrings at this time, they're not taking like personalized requests. They're a fairly new jewelry company, so I assume that soon they will be doing that. So they will be, after your first order, after that they will start shipping your subscriptions out on the 20th of every month after that. So, and all of the orders do ship from the United States, and the subscriptions renew automatically. So let's get into this. Now, this is how it came to my door, and if you hear rumbling, it is we are in the middle of a very bad thunder and lightning storm right now. So if you see me jump, I don't like thunder and lightning storms. So just so you know. But this is how the bag or whatever box. I'm assuming there's like a box in here. I did cut it open so we don't watch me struggle. So let's get this open and get into it. All right. And this is what was inside. Very well protected. And here is the card, and it says Simple Statement Jewelry Company. If you're happy and you know it, leave a review. That's what the back says. And it says, first and foremost, remember the 3 S's. Shower. Remove your jewelry before showering and do not place back on until your skin is dry. Swim. No swimming with jewelry on. And sweat. Don't remove jewelry before excessive sweating, such as the gym. Find out more about costume jewelry care at Simple Statement Jewelry Company /about. And then it says thank you. And fun fact, I was a nurse. What do you do? Message us on Facebook and like our page for a chance to win a free gift next month. And here is how the jewelry comes to you. I like the little pink bow. And we're going to open this up. Let's see what we got. And there's a little pink bag in here, and here's how the jewelry comes in the little pink mesh bag. I love pink mesh bags. They are beautiful. And they all come on a little cardboard back. And okay, no, stay still. And there is my pair of earrings. They look to be like maybe flower, and then there's a little bit of a pink bag. And then there's a little pink mesh bag. I love pink mesh bags. They are beautiful. And they all come on a little cardboard back. And okay, no, stay still. And there is my pair of earrings. They look to be like maybe flower, maybe flower, maybe There we go. I had to straighten it out. But those are really cute, and they are pierced earrings. Those are very cute. And then we have a necklace. V-neck, well, a V-neck. It's not a shirt. It's a V. That's very cute. And there's the back. Very nice. I do like that. And then we have a ring. And I'm going to put this ring on my finger, and it is an adjustable ring. Now I'm not going to put it on that finger because then it'll look like I'm flipping you off, and I am not trying to flip you off. But it is an arrow ring. It's not really trying to focus for me, so we're trying to let it focus. It is not going to, but it is an arrow ring. Very cute. And it does adjust, so very cute. And then it looks like we have, oh, there goes the warning. And it is very loud. I'm very sorry about that. Okay, so now where were we? All right, and oh, I was showing you the ring, and it is a little hard to see the ring. There we go. Maybe you can see it better now, but that's the arrow. And then we have one more thing. It is a bracelet, and it is one of the, I want to call it, I want to say lariat, but I'm sure that that's not what it maybe that's what it's called, but it has one of those little like things that you can slide up and down, like so there, which is kind of hard to do by yourself, but we're attempting to do so. Get up there. There we go. Well, that's a little tight. But anyway, there's the front side of it. It has some, I'm going to assume like crystals, maybe. My lights just flashed. Okay, so we may just lose some power here. I'm not going to stop recording. So you're gonna know if I lose power. It has some like crystals or something with it, but I think that that's really a very cute bracelet. It is very cute. Maybe I should have left it tighter. So we may lose some power going on here, but that is very cute. And then, like I said, the ring and the earrings and the necklace. I almost can get it all in there. And of course not my wedding rings, but you know. There. Almost. So we have the ring and the bracelet, earrings, and the necklace. I think that this is a really good deal for $19.99 a month. So I bet you want to know what surprise I have for you, don't you? Well, it is your first box free. Yes, free. You can get your first box free within 48 hours, sent to you for absolutely free. But you have to pay the... Okay, it says, please advertise in the unboxing that the first box is free plus $2.99 shipping. You pay for the $2.99 shipping, and she will ship you your box free. You just pay the $2.99 shipping. So if you would like to get your first box free of charge with only a $2.99 shipping charge, you click on that link down below in the description bar, and you go ahead and get your box for free. For $2.99 shipping charge, you can get your first box of jewelry for free. So let me know if you intend on ordering this box of jewelry, because I would love to know what you get in your box, because I am super excited to see what you get or hear about what you get, or if you could take pictures or just explain to me what you got, because I would love to see what you get. I'm super curious to see what you guys get. So that's it for this video, my friends. I would love to know in the comments if you guys are gonna get this box, and let me know what you think about this box. And I guess that's it for this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I will tell you, I think my favorite piece in this whole box is the bracelet. I love the bracelet. I think the bracelet is my most favorite piece in the whole box. I love it. It is dainty and beautiful, and I think that I'm going to just keep it on for now. So, all right, guys, I think that is it for now. I will see you in my next video, and don't forget to check out Simple Statement Jewelry Company. Don't forget to click on the link, because you can't go wrong. For $2.99 shipping, you get your jewelry for free. What a deal, my friends. All right, guys, I'll see you next time in my next video. Don't forget how much I love each and every one of you. All right, bye now.